At 3 in the morning, do you find yourself doing mental calculations, wondering if you'll have enough money for gas to make it to work? One surprise expense, whether it's a car repair or a medical bill, and your entire monthly budget falls apart completely. Most assume earning $30,000 means surviving on the cheapest food, but financial stability is a learnable skill. When you understand how money works at this level, your anxiety decreases, your choices expand, and you actually start getting proper sleep. 4 out of 10 Americans cannot handle a $400 unexpected expense without borrowing money or selling something. The starting point is understanding fixed expenses, the quiet drains that pull money out of your account every single month. Calculate what you afford based on take-home pay, not gross salary. On $30,000, you likely have $2,000 a month. Ideally, your housing should stay at or below 30% of your take-home pay. For you, that target is $600. Consider house hacking, living in one part of a duplex while a tenant's rent covers most or all of your mortgage. Having roommates or relocating to a more affordable city can effectively give you a major increase in real purchasing power. Transportation wrecks tight budgets. The typical American spends more than $9,000 annually on car payments and upkeep. Driving something unremarkable while keeping money in savings is far better than driving an impressive vehicle while being stretched. If public transit is an option, going car-free can save you several $100s every month while gaining time back. Food spending is another area for compounding wins. Weekly meal planning prevents the expensive decisions that happen when you're hungry. Build meals around foundational ingredients like rice, beans, and seasonal vegetables. These meals cost roughly $2 per serving. Treat your freezer as a resource. Buy marked-down meat and freeze large batches of soup to create your own ready-to-eat inventory. Retail environments are designed to encourage unplanned spending. Always bring a specific list and follow it without deviation. Social life doesn't require high spending. Become the person who suggests potlucks, game nights, or free local attractions instead. Public libraries offer free access to films, internet, and even tools. It's thousands of dollars of resources at no cost to you. Convert the price of anything non-essential into the hours you work to pay for it. Is that item worth 5 hours of your life? Even having $100 set aside can prevent a small crisis from escalating into a genuine financial disaster. Audit your recurring charges. Cancelling unused subscriptions is like discovering money you are already spending without realizing it. 2 people can earn the same $30,000, but their daily realities can be fundamentally different based on their systems. Choose one action today. Cancel a subscription or set up an automatic $10 weekly transfer into your savings. Start with one thing, build momentum, and become someone who consistently keeps money rather than wondering where it all went.